Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to transfer your Paysafecard to PayPal. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to sign up for an account or log in to your PayPal account. So I'll just have to click on login right now. And unfortunately, PayPal currently only allows money transfers through credit or debit cards. Now let's find a workaround to access your Paysafecard funds. So to do this, we have to use a third-party service called Wise. So first, you have to go to wise.com and then you have to click on the open an account. And then the next step is to enter your email address. Then after that, you have to click on what kind of account would you like to open. So I suggest you go ahead and click on the personal account. And then you just have to choose your country and then click on continue. And then right here, you just have to type out the phone number that you're going to use. And then a verification code will be sent to your number and you just have to type out that one right here and then click on submit. And then finally, you can now click on the email address and your password and then you just have to type those info and you'll be able to log in to your Wise account. Now finally, you can add your PaySafe card now. With your PaySafe card added, you can now transfer money from it to your Wise account. So to do that, the first thing that you will need to do is to click on the send button right here. And then you have to choose the currency and then the amount and then click on continue. And then right here, you just have to type out all of the details that you have to fill out. And after that, you'd be able to enter your address, your home address. And here, you just have to select your recipient. So just click on the add a recipient. Now here, just click on someone else. And here you just have to enter your account details, your PaySafe card details. And after that, you'd be able to see the confirm button. And all you have to do is to click on it and you'd be able to transfer your money to your PayPal account. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.